Good morning, my name is Mike. I'm the UGC dad, and I just thought I'd give you an update on how my week was going. It's going. I've been pretty lucky. I've had a few UGC jobs lined up, and I've been using this app. It's called Incense, and it is just like a quick little iPhone app here. I imagine they also have it available for Android. And I got a couple of jobs off of there. I got a solar-powered lantern, which is paying $175 US plus the gifted lantern. So this company, they are paying me to make a series of videos for them, and they're sending me this product to make the video for. And the video is going to be about 5 minutes in length. And then I'm also getting a leather wallet, which is paying $125 US plus the gifted wallet. Hasn't arrived yet, but that's next on the list. And then I have another job in the funnel, which is paying $100 US to do review a bath mat. I don't know if I want to take that one yet or not, because I don't know anything about bath mats. So the app is called, once again, Incense. I'll put it up here somewhere. And it's okay, you know, not bad for part-time. The thing about UGC is that what I found, if you're like 20-something and trying to break into the beauty market, it's oversaturated. If you're like me and you're slightly older, rather unique looking perhaps, or say you have a disability or whatever it might be, well, there's going to be lots of jobs out there for you. You just have to go out and get them. And an app like this is probably the simplest way to do it. The other option is to just contact the brands directly and make contact that way. And that's it. It's really that simple. As we progress through this journey, we'll dive a bit more into detail on how to get your own clients and how to make the videos, etc., etc., etc. But for now, you know, I just want to touch base. The week has been going. It's busy. I can't complain. Right now, this is my only source. Well, not my only source of income. I also do YouTube videos and TikTok videos, and it's one of my other sources of income, though. And it's not going to replace a full-time job, but if you are looking to get extra income as the holidays approach, those brands are out there. Right now is the time to get on this bandwagon, because they are out there looking for content for the upcoming holidays. So let's try that all over again. The only person stopping you is you. All right, peace out, Boy Scout. Talk to you soon. But that's it. That is my little journey along the UGC path so far. I am currently, am I unemployed? I guess you could say I'm unemployed. So this is paying the bills right now. And yeah, like, I don't think it's going to be a bad day. I don't think this is going to, okay. We'll leave it there. I'll come back next week with another product.